etc. We start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can trade it, whether we have any trade setup, whether for buy or sell. Okay, as you can see, there is no much changes in compared to my last analysis. And as we can see, the way it's moving is really, still we can expect this one to be a corrective move, similar to what we have here for one more drop. Okay, no, we want to see how we can trade it, because right now we don't have any trade setup. Whether we can get any trade setup for buy, or still we can expect this one to be a corrective for one more drop, then maybe we need to look for sell. Okay, first we start with a higher time frame. We see what we have any changes. Nothing based on daily chart, but the way it's moving, mostly we can expect for the reversal or bigger correction. And if we move to forward chart, as we can see based on forward chart, still we are within this move in relative to this, but we had a correction drop. Still we think this one can be a corrective move for one more drop. For sure, if we get a one more drop without breaking this low any buy, it can give us a really good trade setup. Okay, in terms of the risk and reward, because if the price at least break this low, this is what we risk and this is at least what we can get. Then when the price come to this high, we can see how whether there is a continuation or not. Okay, but right now we cannot confirm. But one thing we need to see here, if we put this one in relative to each other, we can see it's losing the divergence, is losing the momentum. Yeah, then how about 1 hour chart? Okay, we want to see what we have based on 1 hour chart. If we put this one relative to this MACD, yeah, show us the divergence as well. Yeah, almost we have a divergence. Okay, now the thing is, we want to see how we can trade it, whether we can get any buy setup or not. But the thing is, what I can see here is still we can expect for one more drop. For sure, if we get one more drop without the breakout, any reversal, we can look for buy. Okay, that's why we are not sure how deep it can go. But this one, if turned to a correction, any sharp move, like, still we can look for sell with the breakout of this. Okay, but whether we can get the trade setup or not, similar to what we have here, but based on 1 hour chart, we didn't have any trade setup unless we trade based on lower time frame. And still we can expect the price move a bit higher for one more drop. The only times you can look for buy, if this one, sorry, if here we see a bigger correction, maybe we can consider whether we can look for buy or any sharp move with the correction, mostly is above this one. Okay, and rather than that, we don't have any other trade setup. Having entry above this is really risky, whether here or here. It depends on the traders. We just leave it. We don't call it as a trade setup. But the best thing is if here we get the correction, or if we see any sharp move with a like. This is the only way we can look for trade if you want to look for buy. And the best things, if this one give us a one more trade after the breakout, then from there, if we get any buy setup, can we consider this a move and the price sharply can continue from here by having a entry above this? I don't think it's a really good idea, but if anyone wants to try, they can, because the way it's moving is not very corrective. I don't think we can have entry above this. Even the price is very low. When I say very low, we putting the price in, I mean, in compared to what we have here, this one. By the way, we don't have any trade setup, and we think we get the corrective move here. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or changes, then I will share. Thanks.